In this video, I'll show you how to play Minecraft with friends using the same Wi-Fi network or a local connection. It's a simple method that works without any servers or mods. Just make sure to follow each step closely. First, both devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. This is essential for the local multiplayer function to work, and if one device is on a different network, the game won't detect the LAN world. Next, open Minecraft on both devices. You can use any version, but both players must use the exact same version of Minecraft. Otherwise, the connection won't work. For example, if you're using version 1.19 on one device, make sure the other is using 1.19 as well. Now on the first device, follow these steps. Click on single player and create a new world or open an existing one. Adjust the game settings such as game mode, difficulty, cheats, however you like. And once the world loads, press escape, then click open to LAN. Choose your multiplayer settings, you can allow cheats or not, and select the game mode for others. Then click start LAN world and a message will appear showing that your local game is now hosted. Then you may see a security prompt, click allow access so your firewall doesn't block the connection. On the second device, launch Minecraft using the same version. From the main menu, click on Multiplayer, then Minecraft will automatically scan for LAN games on the network. Wait a few seconds and the host's world should appear in the list. Then click Join Server to enter the game. Now you're both in the same world and ready to play together. If the LAN game doesn't show up on the second device, double check that both devices are on the same network, make sure the game versions match, or confirm that the firewall on the host device allowed Minecraft through, or you may try restarting Minecraft on both devices. And that's it. This is the easiest way to play Minecraft locally with friends using the same Wi-Fi.